Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. Today topic is classification of organic compounds. This topic is from some basic principles of organic chemistry. The classification of organic compounds. The organic compounds have been classified on the basis of carbon skeleton or functional groups or the concept of homology. On the classification of basis of structure. The structure is acyclic compounds and cyclic compounds. In acyclic compounds, this contains open chains of carbon atoms. A carbon chain can be straight or branched. Example, see here, it is a straight chain. It is called it as N-butane. The name N-butane, that means the but is the 4 carbon atoms. These are attached one by one. All are single bonds. So N is the single bonds and it is a straight chain compound. So we called it as N-butane. And see here, it is a but-2-ene or formerly 2-butene. That means it contains double bond between 2 carbon atoms in the second carbon atom. So it is called it as but-2-ene or 2-butene. These are open chains. And next one is the branched chains. See here, it is isobutane and it is a neopentane and it is a isobutylene. In isobutane contain second carbon attached to another carbon methyl group. So it is called it as isobutane. In neopentane, neo means quaternary carbon atom. Carbon atom consists methyl groups. And next one is the isobutyl. These are acyclic compounds. And next one is the cyclic compounds. What are cyclic compounds? Such compounds containing one or more closed chains or rings of atoms. These can further classified as follows: homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. In a homocyclic compound are alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. In a homocyclic compounds means homocyclic compounds contains rings that are made up of only one kind of atoms like carbon atoms like this. See here, these are alicyclic compounds. These are only same carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. They are attached in cyclic. So we are mentioned here cyclop. This is the cyclopropane and next one is the cyclopentane and next one is the cyclopentane. And next one aromatic in homocyclic compounds. In aromatic compounds are in homocyclic is a benzene and toluene, naphthalene and anthracene. These are example for aromatic compounds. The first one, benzene. The benzene consisting 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms and 3 bonds between alternative double bonds between carbon atoms. It is a benzene. And next one is toluene. These are monocyclic compounds. That means only one ring is present. In a tricyclic and bicyclic, the bicyclic consisting 2 rings and tricyclic are 3 rings, 3 aromatic rings. The one aromatic ring we called it as monocyclic. In a monocyclic, the best examples are benzene and toluene. There are bicyclic is the naphthalene is an example. In a naphthalene consisting aromatic rings, 2 aromatic rings are present. It is called it as naphthalene. And next one, anthracene. In anthracene consisting 3 benzene rings and alternative double bonds. So it consists in 3 benzene rings. So it is called it as tricyclic compound. And next one is heterocyclic compounds. In a heterocyclic compounds, the heterocyclic compounds containing one or more heteroatoms. What are heteroatoms? Nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. These are heteroatoms. In a one of the carbon is attached in heteroatom, occupied with the heteroatom. So it is called it as heterocyclic compounds. The heterocyclic compounds one or more heteroatoms. For example, pyridine, furan and pyrrole. These are example for heterocyclic compounds. The topic is classification on the basis of functional groups. A functional group is an atom or group of atoms in a molecule that gives the molecule its characteristics chemical properties. The double bond and triple bonds are also considered as functional groups. All compounds with the same functional group belong to the same classes. Various classes of compounds having some of the common functional groups are listed in the table. The class are olefins. Olefins are also called as alkenes. The functional group is C double bond C. And next one, acetylenes. The acetylenes are also called it as alkynes. Alkynes having C triple bond C. And next one, alkyl halides. Alkyl halides consisting any alkyl or F, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are halides. These halides attached to alkyl, we called it as alkyl halides. And next one, alcohols. The functional group is OH. We called it as hydroxy functional group. And next one is ethers. It consists in alkoxy groups, that means CrOR, ROR. So COR, COC. It is a alkoxy. And next one is aldehydes. Aldehydes, the functional group is C double bond OH. And ketones, C double bond O. It is a ketonic group. And next one, carboxylic acid. In the carboxylic acid, C double bond O and OH. It is called it as carboxyl. And next one, acid halides. Acid halides, the functional group is C double bond O and X. We called it as acyl halides. And next one is amides. The class is amides and the functional group is C double bond O and NH2. We called it as amides, C double bond O and H2. And next one is acid anhydrides. In acid anhydrides, they are C double bond O and O, C double bond O. That means COO, CO. And next one is esters. Esters are the RC double bond O and O, C. These are esters. And next one is cyanides. Cyanides and nitriles. Then in the cyanides are C triple bond N and nitriles are N triple bond C. Cyano-isocyanates. And next one is isocyanates. And next one is nitro compounds. In nitro compounds is N double bond O and N day2 bond O. We called it as nitro. And next one is amines. Amines are NH2 or NH2, and these are the classification of functional groups. The next topic is homologous series. In a homologous series can be defined as a group of compounds in which the various members have similar structure features and similar chemical properties, and the successive members differ in their molecular formula by CH2. It is called as homologous series. What are the characteristics of homologous series? The first one is all the members of a series can be represented by the general formula. For example, the members of the alcohol family are represented by the formula is CnH2n plus 1 and OH. where n may be have values 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on etc. And next one is two successive members differ in their formula by CH2 group or by 14 atomic mass unit, that is 12 plus 2 into 1. And next one is different members in a family have common functional group. For example, the members of the alcohol family have OH groups as the functional group. And the next one is the members in any particular family have almost identical chemical properties and their physical properties such as melting point and boiling point, density, solubility, etc. shows a proper graduation with the increase in the molecular mass. And next one, the members present in a particular series can be prepared almost by similar methods known as general methods of preparation. These are the homologous series characteristics.